Hi North Haven, this video is going to show you how you can use Google Meet and Google Calendar setup for your parent-teacher conferences, and once you've set them up, how you can use your waiting room so that you can let parents in when it's time for their appointment. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to Google Calendar. You can come to Calendar either with the waffle over here on the right, just click there and then click Calendar, or you can click calendar.google.com. From here, double-click in the day of the conference. You can add anything you want for the title because that isn't something that the families will see. You'll be the only one to see this part. And then if you uncheck all day, you can also set the time parameters. Once you set the date and the time, click the blue button to add a meet. You can add notifications or color code it if that's something you like to do with your calendar. Now, typically for a Google Meet, if you wanted to share it from the calendar, you would then add the emails here where it says guests. Because we're going to be using the waiting rooms, you don't want to do that this time. Instead, you're going to come up and click Save. Then you can come to that event in your calendar, click it once, mouse over by the button that says Join with Google Meet, and then click this little icon which will copy it to your clipboard. Then you can email that link to the families, and on the day of the conferences, they'll be able to click the link and come to your meet. On the day of the meet, you will access the meet by clicking the calendar event and then clicking Join with Meet. The families will be able to join a couple of different ways. They can either click on the link that you've emailed to them or shared with them in some way, or they can come to meet.google.com and they can paste the meet into this little box and click Join. From here, you'll notice that their option instead of join will say ask to join. That's because they're joining as uninvited guests, and so they have to wait in the waiting room until you allow them into the meet. So they'll click ask to join. You'll get a bell sound, and then someone wants to join this call will pop up. And when it's time for them to join, you can click admit. When the conference is done, the parent can hang up, and then you can let the next parent or guardian into your meet. If the parents or guardians are trying to join early and you're still meeting with the previous appointment, you can click deny entry. And then in a couple of minutes, the parents can refresh and ask to join again. Once you've completed your previous appointment, you can then click admit and you can start that appointment.